to the 2025 Ember Stomp here in Marin County. We're going to check out what they've got going on. A bunch of vendors with products that can help you mitigate your wildfire risk. Let's take a look here. Sponsors participating. Lots of great organizations there, folks. Take a look. And if you can make it out to Ember Stomp next year, it's a great event.
Y'all have enough prizes?
Okay, let's go. Thank you.
Thanks for about here and all the.
And those things are like these ones are what you could have, like what you already have. Offer, the rates are reasonable. Should you 10 minutes to your back?
How far away from your room? 5 feet. 5 feet. 5 feet. Yes.
Yeah.
We can do what's
Yeah, it keeps it going.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I think you're probably okay. I would just say, you know, be very into it.
Oh, damn. Oh, another damn.
Yep. I know they called it, yeah, but that was a few years ago. This is probably a ski league or anything. Oh, Palisade, that's horrible. That was just recently, yeah, 2025, Southern California.
And then this one. Sorry.
Like the same as your eye.
What you don't need to send me materials, but send me a list of materials.
Our trees are not great. We don't really live in the common fir forest, but we have some of these.
in there, so it has some kind of attachment, but not, yeah, you don't need to do anything else to it. In most cases. Every now and then we'll put a couple of screws that attach,
That's what I was worried about. Yeah, but you could
but
just
not the go check it out how long it's
You want one more? Okay. Oh.
go through there.
Is your dog bigger than that dog?
Do that with a lot of maintenance. You can do that by creating an open space, as you see on this fence. So it's harder for the deer to accumulate in those areas. So if the fence is above the ground, it makes it harder for the deer to accumulate. Packing occurring in the harvest product here.
Pretty amazing, huh?
So a number of years ago, I did an experiment that was largely this, evaluating the vulnerability of softened eave or enclosed eave versus open eave. And it was pretty clear that open eave was more vulnerable. Should flames get close to it and heat build up, you had ignition that was quicker, and you had lateral flame spread. So from the ignition point laterally either side of the joist bay or the truss bay that might ignite first. Looking, and then by this rapid lateral movement of the flame, the weakest point